Another great catchy riff, Wild Thing by 60s band The Troggs, uses just A, D and E. It's a terrific way to get you changing between these great starter 3 major chords A, D and E. Let's start learning how to play this one. So Wild Thing is a quick little riff. It's not quite the whole song this, but it's quite a lot of it. So the chords are A, D, then to E, and then to D. So perhaps what you'll find the biggest challenge is changing from the A chords to the D chord. The D to the E isn't too bad. Remember, you peel off these fingers, slide the index back, and then put the middle and ring on 2nd fret on A and D. And then when we do the D, followed by that, we just do that in reverse. Slide that, put the middle and ring. Okay? So we do 2 strums of A, down strums with our plectrum. Then you stop the strings. Then you make a D and you do 2 down strums as well. So we go A, D, D. Then we change to an E. 2 downs, then D. So while we're doing down strums, the rhythm is ba, 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 ba. So the D is always played with a bit more urgency. Okay? So we've got A, bottom 5 strings, then D, then E, then D. Repeat. Now if you're thinking, Drew, I can't get to those chords fast enough. Okay, doesn't matter. Do it really slow. A, change, and D, D, change, E, E, change, and D, D, repeat, and A. Just try it as slow as you can, and if you can't do that, that's okay also. It doesn't matter. Just keep working on your changes, A to D and E. There's been lots of tips in the Quick Start course, the Quick Start Beginners course, on how to get better at your changes. And it might just be that you're not quite there yet. You need a bit more practice at it. Right. So when we do the D, just one other little thing I want to say about the song, actually, is after you've strummed, if you can, take this part of your hands and just stop the strings. So just put your hand on the strings, like this. Rather than, you hear that ringing? It's still going. But if I do this, it stops them. So it's really cool if after every 2 strums you can stop the strings. It makes it sound much more like the song. And you stop the strings from sounding by placing this bit of your hands, just put it down. Don't overthink it, just stop the strings. Without stopping the strings, it sounds like this. Okay, so it makes a big difference. So that's Wild Thing. Have some fun with it. It's a great riff.